Good morning to you all. So today again we will discuss about the understanding quadrilateral. So today in this the subtopic it is angle sum property of the quadrilateral. Angle sum property of the quadrilateral. Fine. Angle sum property of the quadrilateral. As you all are remember that how we were finding the angle sum property of the triangle. Angle sum property of the triangles. Sum of all the angles of the triangle it is 180. As you all are knowing कि sum of all the angles of the triangle it is 180. Fine. Sum of all the angles of the three angles of the triangle it is equals to 180 degree. Fine. Recall that method by which we tried to visualize fact. Clear? Now see how we were finding earlier. So there was one method that first we had made the triangle. After that we have to mark all the angles of the triangle by taking the same radius. Okay. After marking the angles, what we were doing, we were cutting all the angles separately. Clear? We will cut all the angles separately and we will put them together. When we will put them together, then we were seeing that they were coming on a single line. As you all were seeing that they were coming on a single line. Like this they were coming. Fine, like this they were coming. They were coming on a single line. Single line it means that this line it is a straight angle that is of 180 degree. Fine, in the same way we were finding the angle sum property of the triangle. Okay. So by using this method only we will find the angle sum property of the quadrilateral also. Is it clear to you all? So today here if I make a quadrilateral, so maximum many triangles are there but minimum only two triangles are possible. Let this is a quadrilateral ABCD. Fine. Let this is a quadrilateral that is ABCD. Fine. So by using two diagonals we were dividing now I am going to divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. So minimum two triangles are possible in this quadrilateral. Fine. Minimum two triangles are possible in this quadrilateral. Is it clear to you all? Now minimum how many triangles are possible? Two triangles. So sum of all the angle of one triangle that is 180. Sum of all the angles of this triangle it is also 180 degree. Fine. So sum of all the angle of the quadrilateral that is 360 degree. Simple. Clear? Any type of the quadrilateral we can make. You can make the quadrilateral like this also. See this. This one. We can make the quadrilateral like this also. Fine. Now see this is a quadrilateral. Fine. After that you can join these two vertex. Fine. You can join these two vertex. Okay. Now in this also there are three angles. You will get three angles. This is a concave type of the quadrilateral. Concave polygon it is, in which the diagonals are outside. Fine. Now here you can see that there are two triangles. Sum of this triangle it is 180. Sum of this triangle it is also 180. Fine. So sum of all the angles of this quadrilateral it is equals to 360. Okay. Now see the next topic. Now see the questions. Now see here you can see that this is the convex type of the quadrilateral. This one, this quadrilateral. This is the concave type of the quadrilateral. This one, in which diagonal it is outside. Fine. We can join these two diagonals, diagonal B and diagonal D. Now two triangles are there. As you can see here, two triangles are there. Okay. Sum of this triangle it is 180 degree. Sum of this it is also 180 degree. So sum of all the angles of this quadrilateral it is equals to 360. Fine. Okay, now see the questions of exercise 3.1. Question number first and question number second already we have done. Now see the question number third. What is the sum of measure of all the angle of convex quadrilateral? As you all are knowing, as I told earlier, and as I told before this only. Will this property hold if quadrilateral is not convex? I told you about the concave also. Make non-convex quadrilateral and try. Non-convex it means that the concave only. Non-convex it means that the concave only. That I told you. In the same way you have to solve. Okay. Now see this question. Question number 4. Examine the table. We have to examine the table. each figure is divided into triangles and sum of all the angles deduced from that. Okay. Now as you all are knowing, sum of all the angle of triangle, that is 180 degree. Okay. But here you are knowing about the quadrilateral also, sum of all the angle of quadrilateral, that is 360. Now how we will find the sum of all the angles of the pentagon and of the hexagon? Fine. We have to divide the pentagon and hexagon in minimum triangles. How many minimum triangles are possible? We have to check. In pentagon, if pentagon it is given like this, minimum how many triangles are possible? As you can see, there are 3 triangles. 3 triangles are possible. If I make a hexagon, now again it is a pentagon I had made, pentagon. Now see how many triangles are possible. As you can see, 3 triangles are possible. If I am making a hexagon, now see how many triangles are possible. Now see, if it is a hexagon, 1 triangle, 2, 3 and 4. Again 4 triangles are possible in hexagon. So here one triangle it is 180, another it is also 180 degree, next one it is also 180. Fine. So sum of all the angle of pentagon, that is 540. Fine. In the same way we have to find for the hexagon also. Sum of all the triangles we will take, that is 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180. Fine. So you have to find sum and you have to find the all sum of all the angles of the hexagon. One another method is there. Okay. One another method is there. By using that also we can find. Okay. Another method is this: n minus 2 into 180. n minus 2 into 180, where n it is equals to number of sides of polygon. Fine. Number of sides of polygon. Is it clear to you all? Number of sides of the polygon. Fine. Where n is the number of sides of the polygon. Now see, here in the triangle how many sides are there? 3. So we can find for this also 3 minus 2 into 180. 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1 into 180, that is 180 degree. Fine. Is it clear? I think. Okay. Now the next one, n minus 2, it means that it is a quadrilateral, 4 sides are there, so it will be 4 minus 2 into 180. Fine. That is equals to 2 into 180, which is equals to 360 degree. So sum of all the angles of the quadrilateral, it is equals to 360 degree. Okay. By using this property you have to find for pentagon and for the hexagon also. Okay. Now see the next question. What can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon if number of sides are 7, 8, 10 and n? Okay. By using that property only you have to solve. What is the regular polygon? As you all are knowing, which is equiangular and equilateral. Okay, that is the regular. State the name of regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides, 6 sides. 3 sides, then it is a equilateral triangle. 4 sides, then it is a square. If 6 sides are there, then it is a regular hexagon. Fine, it is a regular hexagon. Now question number C, question number 6. Find the angle measure x in the following figure. First one, it is a quadrilateral, so sum of all the angle of quadrilateral, it is equals to 360. As you all are knowing, all the angles are given and only one you have to find. Okay. In the same way you have to do for the second question also. Okay, this is your 90 degree. Now 3 angles, it is clear, and 1 angle only you have to find. Okay. Now see the part C. How you will do this? This angle and this one. Okay. By using the linear pair, by using LP you have to find. So it will be 120 and it will be 110. By using the linear pair, it means that 70 plus P, it is equals to 180, and here let it is Q plus 60, it is equals to 180. Fine. By using the linear pair you will get it as 120. Now here 3 angles are 3 angles it is given, 3 angles are given now. That is 30, 120 plus 110. 30, 3 angles are given. 3 angles are given here. Okay. 30, 3 angles are given here. Okay. That is 30 plus 110 plus 120 plus x which is equals to 540 because it is a pentagon, which is equals to 540 because it is a pentagon. Fine, it is a pentagon. So 2x plus 260, fine, which is equals to 540. So 2x it is equals to 540 minus 260. So 2x it is equals to, that is 280. Fine. So the value of x it is equals to 280 upon 2. That is equals to 140. Fine. So the value of x will be 140. Okay students. Now rest of the questions you have to solve question number 7 and part D. Okay. You will solve these two questions. If you have any doubt then you can ask. Okay.